You want to know why you're not putting on muscle? It's not because of what you're doing in the gym. I mean, that may be contributing if you're lifting improperly, but chances are, if you're not hitting your goals, it's because of what you're doing outside of the gym. It's what you're doing when you go into a convenience store, what you do in the break room at work, what you do in the kitchen. That's right, it's what you eat. Surprise, surprise, right? Food makes up so much of the importance of whether we hit our goals or whether we don't. I used to be the biggest culprit of this. When I started, I would eat and eat and eat, and just it would never stop. People called me bottomless pit all the time because I would never stop eating, but I ate complete garbage. I'd down can after can of Dr. Pepper. I'd eat Oreos by the sleeve, half gallons of ice cream, lots of white starchy pasta. Like, I ate terrible. Lots of fast food, Sonic. I don't know if you got Sonic where you are. Man, the place is dangerous. But the point is, I ate a ton of crap. And that, while I consumed a whole lot of calories, they were empty calories. My muscles couldn't do anything with them. My body was either burning it off as just energy, or it just was storing it as fat, like skinny fat. And both of those are not things you want to do. You've got to be eating on point. And what do I mean by on point? No, you don't have to all of a sudden just cut off everything and eat healthy, because let's face it, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was a healthy body. This stuff takes time. There's no 30-day fix, no 60-day magic pill you can take and then you're magically going to lose the belly fat. No detox, fat burner pill, gut burner. Like, there's so many freaking pills out there. Trust me, it's not going to work. It's not. What you need is to change the way you eat and the way you think about food. Food is not, it's not just something for our taste buds. It's to fuel us. Are you going to go pour water in your gas tank and expect your car to run? Probably not. It's not going to get very far if it starts at all. The point is, like, you've got to fuel your body for what you're trying to do. And again, take baby steps. You don't have to do it all at once. Start with week 1. Start cutting out one unhealthy item. Maybe it's soda. Just get rid of soda and replace it with healthier things. Then a couple weeks later, after you're kind of getting the grips of that, pick something else. Maybe it's candy. Get rid of that and replace it with healthy snacks like almonds or pumpkin seeds. Focus on one thing at a time, because if you try to just do everything at once, your body's going to be like, what the heck? And you're going to immediately have all these cravings and you're going to grab something. So take it slow, build a solid foundation, and then just keep building up from there. Remember, no matter what anybody's told you, you can accomplish your goals. So hit that subscribe button so that I can help you do that. And remember, you've got this.